Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction has based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video you will know about that this month business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit into December 2020. Lord Sun, in the beginning of this month Lord Sun will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. On 15 December, Lord Sun will enter in the Sagittarius zodiac sign. Lord Mars, in the beginning of this month Lord Mars will transit in Pisces zodiac sign. On 24 December Lord Mars will enter in the Aries zodiac sign. Lord Mercury, in the beginning of this month Lord Mercury will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. On 1st December, Lord Mercury will go to Astha Avastha. On 17 December, Lord Mercury will enter in Sagittarius zodiac sign. Lord Jupiter, in this month Lord Jupiter will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 16 December, Lord Jupiter will go to Astha Avastha. Lord Venus, in the beginning of this Lord Venus will transit in Libra zodiac sign. On 11 December, Lord Venus will enter in the Scorpio zodiac sign. On 19 December, Lord Venus will retrograde. Lord Saturn, in this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 31st December, Lord Saturn will go to Astha Avastha. Lord Rahu, in this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu, in this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Taurus horoscope of December 2020. For the business people need to be very careful this month. Your enemies may conspiracy against you. Be careful during business conversation. You should avoid taking risky in money matters. You will work hard in this month. Your expenses will hike. We would advise you not to trust anyone and keep close eye on money transactions. Your business partner may treat you selfishly. Be careful. For the job, you will get the chance to work on a new project this December 2020. An overabundance of work will make you feel tired. However, you will attain favorable results in the coming days for the tasks that you worked hard on. You need to beware of your hidden enemies, otherwise, you will have to face problems due to them. Taurus natives looking for a job opportunity may get called for an interview now. Be very confident while sitting for the discussion and do not let any hesitation be visible. Marital life and children. A busy lifestyle will not allow married natives sufficient time to spend with their spouse, which can lead to misunderstandings between you. Our advice is that you try to solve all problems in your marital life politely. The relations between you and your parents will improve. You will spend more time with them. If your father is now retired from his organization, then he may get his remaining money back this month. Your children will perform well in their academics, making you feel thrilled. On the flip side, natives whose children are of marriageable age will find the perfect partner for their child. Keep making efforts to maintain the peace and happiness of your home. Ask the members of your household how they are and help them solve their problems. Lovers, many new experiences will be a part of your love life this month. Gemini natives whose relationship was almost to the point of a breakup will finally understand and learn from their mistakes and make peace with their partner. On the flip side, others will face an increase of doubts and arguments in their romantic entanglement. In such a scenario, one should always try to discern the truth first, rather than jumping to conclusions through assumption. Many a time, we become overly emotional, making a mountain of a molehill over a subject which ends up spoiling our relations. Education. There will be many such occasions in this month when you will be disillusioned with your education and may have to face lack of concentration. But despite all this month will prove to be a good month for the progress of education. Students should try to concentrate on studies. Health. You may have to face problems pertaining to your stomach, waist, and lower back this month. Take the assistance of yoga and meditation to avoid these. You will remain worried. Another reason for this mental stress can be an overabundance of work. Hence, you should take out time for yourself too and get an appropriate amount of rest, including yoga in your daily routine will be beneficial for you. Remember that unless you are in good shape yourself, you will not be able to take care of others. Dates where you need to be careful: 2, 3, 7, 8, 14, 15, 16, 24, 25, 29 and 30. Remedies. Chant the mantras of Lord Mercury, Lord Sun and Lord Ketu. Donate money or food to needy people. For the knowledge of planets' mantras, and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching, and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Wishing you very happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you and your entire family. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business related problems, health related problems, marriage, love related problems, Vastu, and horoscope matching. Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can call us, WhatsApp and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motto is your success. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.